Um, my name is Grace, and I'm in 8th grade. My mentor's name is Stephanie Chow. She's a senior at MIT. She does mechanical engineering. She's from Illinois, and she likes to bake, read, and run. My project was a solar sensor car. It's a car that detects light and then moves when the light is detected. I did this because I wanted to work with circuitry and coding, and I learned Python, Arduino, and circuitry. One of the reasons why I really liked the Magic experience was because we had meetings once a week. It matched my very busy schedule at the time. I learned how to code Arduino. I learned how to make complete circuits. I learned how to use an Arduino, and I learned that it takes multiple tries to get something right. I also worked with motor values, and I figured out how to make a base and a structure of a robot. Some challenges, we had a lot of challenges. We had trouble uploading the code and getting it to work. This is because there was a missing motor driver and the motors wouldn't really work without them. I had to remake the base because the one that I was using broke and things kept on sliding off of it. And when I first started using Arduino and coding the projects that I made, I had no knowledge whatsoever about coding in the Arduino language. And I also made a lot of smaller projects, including like thermostats and button switches. And I didn't know, I started doing those smaller, but I didn't really think it was a big enough project to present at this big presentation. So I made it something else. And I learned how to do wiring from scratch as well. My demo, so this is the code for the car. I'll go over it out there. And then the base, that's the finished car, and then the circuitry is building it.